So my dear friends, you are not making money from the options trading, right? Because we know that 80% of option traders, 80% of option buyers actually lose money. Who buys option actually? Traders like you and me buys option because we all are small traders. And on the other hand, who sells option? The big institutions, the mutual funds, the foreign institutions, the big traders, they all short sells option. They never buy option. And we buy option hoping that the option price will move up. But many times I have seen that the price of the underlying is moving up, but the price of the call option is moving down. Many times I have seen that the price of the underlying is moving down and the price of the put option is also moving down. So why it happens like that? Because my dear friends, options is also having a time component in it. So along with time, the option price actually moves down. And 80% of options actually expires worthless. So 80% of option sellers who are actually selling the options, they make money, and rest 20% of option buyers only make money. So we need to understand how to stop losing money. Because if you want to make money in the stock market or in options trading, you need to know how to make money. That is fine. But you need also to know how to stop losing money. If we do not know how to stop losing money, we will ultimately end all of our capital. And that will happen very surely in options trading. So in this video, I am going to show you the top mistakes, the biggest mistake the option traders make. So let us see how the options trader make these mistakes. But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from StockManiacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. The biggest mistake that option traders make, that is actually not knowing how to trade options. They think that the price has come down for a stock and it will move up. Fine, that is very fine. Before few days actually one of my client has asked me, sir, I have bought IndusInd Bank 1600 call option for this expiry, that means for January expiry. So what should I do? I am not going to make profits, or where should I keep stop loss? So I was not very aware about IndusInd Bank chart. So I told him, let me see the charts and then I can comment. So now what I have seen, that he has made a great mistake, because he has bought a far option of IndusInd Bank. That option is very far, very away from the current market price, and he is not going to make a single paisa out of that option. The whole option is surely going to expire worthless, and I will show you how. So let us check IndusInd Bank chart. Now my dear friends, I have seen that IndusInd Bank is currently in a downtrend. So that is not the point. The current price of IndusInd Bank is 1332 rupees. So you can see the current price is here, and that gentleman, he has actually bought a call option of 1600. So you can see how far is 1600. Now that call option he has purchased, that is also of January expiry. So today is 28th January. So the last Thursday of January is not very away, and I am very sure that he is going to lose all of his capital in this particular IndusInd Bank 1600 call option. Why? Suppose IndusInd Bank actually bounces back from 1332 level to say this level, that was its resistance. it is around 1600 level. But my dear friend, is it so easy? IndusInd Bank has fallen a lot and expiring above 1600 is next to impossible. So that is the biggest mistake that this guy has made. He has bought a far away option. He has bought 1600 call option that will surely expire worthless. So these guys are actually eaten by the big traders. These small traders are actually eaten by the big traders. Now my dear friends, let us find how much price the call options of IndusInd Bank currently having. So let us add the 1600 call option and let us also add the close to money options for IndusInd Bank. So let us add the options. So IndusInd Bank January 1600 CE. You can see the price of the IndusInd Bank January 1600 CE is less than 2 rupees. Now the price is currently at 1330. So let us find some near to money options also. So let us find what close to money options are there. So we can see there are 1320 CE. There are 1340 CE and the current price is 1332. So let us add the 1340 CE. So you can see the price of the 1340 CE is 33 rupees. So you can see the price of 1600 call option is less than 2 rupees and the price of January 1340 CE is at 33 rupees. So that is the difference. Now let us check the lot size of IndusInd Bank call option. We can see the lot size is 400. So if the gentleman wants to buy the IndusInd Bank call option, how much money he needs? Suppose he is buying the 1340 call option. So 400 into 33 rupees equals to, so he needs 13,200 rupees capital to buy that 1340 rupees CE. Now how much money he needs to buy the 1600 call option? Its price is 1 rupee 65 paisa. So he needs only 660 rupees. So instead of 13,000 rupees, he needs only 600 rupees to buy that cheap call option. So friends, you are seeing that a trader is undercapitalized. So he is buying a far away option. He cannot buy a near to money option because he does not have 13,000 rupees. So he is buying a far away option, 1600 call option with just 600 rupees, hoping that his 600 rupees will be doubled. He is already undercapitalized because he is buying options, and there also he is making that mistake that he is buying the far away options hoping that his money will be doubled. So all the 600 rupees will actually evaporate. So do not do this kind of mistake. Anytime you are buying options, buy close to money or in the money options. The best options are to be bought are the in the money options, because in the money options are already in the money. So if the price of the underlying goes up, the option price will also go up in the similar manner. And if you buy out of the money options, and mainly if you buy far away options, if the price of the underlying goes up, unless and until it is coming close to your strike price, the option price will not go up. So you will see that the price of the underlying going up, but the price of the options is going down. So you can face this scenario. So if you cannot afford to buy in the money options, at least try to buy close to money options. And if you cannot afford close to money options also, do not trade options. The options trading is not for you. It is your hard-earned money, my dear friends. Why are you going to waste it? Why are you going to waste your 600 rupees also for the big traders who have actually shorted this 1600 call option? There are big traders who have shorted that 1600 call option, and they will just engulf your 600 rupees. They will engulf 600 rupees of these small traders. You will lose money, you will lose in the stock market, and your money will be eaten by those big traders. So do not do this mistake anytime, my dear friends. So I feel that I have described the biggest mistake that the options trader makes, that is they tries to buy far away options hoping that the option price will move up. So next time whenever you are tempted to buy a call option or a put option, at least try to buy a close to money option. Do not try to buy all those far away options. So my dear friends, if you have seen this video, take an oath today that from now onwards you are not going to money far away options. You will try to buy in the money options. If not possible, you will at least try to buy close to money options. So before I leave this webinar, I want to make an announcement that the budget is coming on 1st of February 2020, and before the budget I am going to publish a special video that will describe how to trade the volatile markets like a budget day. So wait for my special video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel before that. So my dear friends, if you have liked this video, do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to comment below this video, because your comments give me encouragement for making new videos and making videos on new topics. So if you like this video, do not forget to share it with your friends and relatives also. So friends, thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. Bye bye.